Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, atana koe.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia au te MＡORI, kia au.
Tō mātou puku hohe.
A lot of eggplant emojis there, my
Tō
friend.
mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Te piti, e te tānau mai harangai ki tēnei pāhopana āwhakata Māori, ka mihi ki ngā maunga hika o tēnei rohe. Welcome everyone to the Super 8 competition between St John's College Hastings versus Whanganui Collegiate School. Whanganui Collegiate tēnei mihi aturana e puta katoa tūhono mai ki tēnei ki mutino whakaharahara o tātou. An awesome day it is to witness the first 15 Super 8 competition between St John's College, Hastings versus Whanganui Collegiate School. And that katahuri a ki tātou ki ngā rārangi ingoa mō ngā kapa e rua nei. We're going to head to the team list for this game. And nei ngā rārangi ingoa mō te kapa for St John's College Hastings. Here in the front row we've got Tane Smith in the hooker position. Prop Williami Rea in number 4. We've got the play team number 5, FIT as well. In the left forward, we've got Jay Smith, number 7. Got number 8, money hitter Wakame. In halfback, we've got Riley Waterton, number 10, Paul Hui, number 11, Wade House, number 12, number Sone. Area, we've got Zan Wehi Lampert. On the wing area, we've got Tafia Benitito, and at fullback, we've got Kurt Sheeran. In the subs, we've got Paniani Pukianga, captain. Number 18, we've got Harry Nicol. 10, we've got number Johnson. 20, Lucy Bartlett. Number 21, we've got Liberty Smith, and number 22, Cole Hollis, and we've got the head coach, Aaron Good. Koera te rara mō te kapa, St George, ana katahupi a ki tātou ki te kapa o Whanganui College. Here's the team list of Whanganui Collegiate School. We've got Karatai, we've got Gibbs, Prop, Thornton, Humphrey, and in the lock, we've got Maven and Prouting. In youth sports, we've got Charlie Ross. Team captain is Olds. Number 8, we've got Seremaya Wanga Misau. In halfback, we've got Simmons, Malo. On the wing, we've got Stark and Afa Masanga. In centre, we've got Eamon. And on the other wing, we've got McDougall and fullback Rupert Smith. In the subs, we've got Sherritt, Ashworth, Devane, Mo, and Putukoro, as well as Guy Ormsby, and the head coach is Steve Winter. Ana, koe ranga rangatira, ka eke ki runga I te papatakoro mo tēnei rā. That's our team list for Whanganui Collegiate School. And we are only moments away from kick-off. And yeah, what an exciting game we've got ahead of us. If I know, probably not the best conditions to play in today, but rain, hail or shine, the show goes on. No matter, haere roa, ka tīmata, o tātou kimu. And then John's College, we've got the home team here in camera view. They look really neat with their first 15 caps on. te aho nei. And what play of the haka from both in this game. The home side claiming their territory. Whanganui, who are the visiting team, return back into their huddle. And we are only moments away from kickoff. You can see the ihi and the wehi between these two sides. And the energy is in the chat in today's game. Ana inga kapa e rua nei e whakarere ana i a rātau anō e mua i te timatanga o tēnei kēmu. Both sides getting into position as we approach kickoff. Ana ko te ahua nei ka timata ake John's me te pauro. St. John's starting off this game with kickoff. Anei au Whanganui me te pauro. Some great yards there by Whanganui Collegiate School Arohamai. And they maintain with possession of the ball. They look to swing the ball out to the left-hand side. Cleaned out nicely there by Whanganui. Great carry there and a great offload there by Whanganui. Looking to take the ball up inch by inch on the left wing. And a great offload there by Whanganui College. Number 8 for Whanganui. Unfortunately goes out of touch there, but some great meters there by the number 8 from Whanganui, Seremaya Whanganui Sau. Ana ka whakararangi a St. John's i te pauro. St. John's with the line out by the number 2, Tane Smith. Line out gets collected nicely there by St. John's. And a great chip and chase there by St. John's. They do well to remain with possession of the ball. Ball gets swung out to the prop for St. John's, and ball gets kicked there. Ara te karanga o te kawa wau mo te offside. St. John's looking to take the penalty here. And they look to go for the line out here, St. John's. Only 10 or 15 metres out from their try line. Anea Tane Smith, me te pauro. There in the line out for St. John's. Some great yards there by Mapisone. Great by St. John's to protect the ball. Ball gets held up there by Whanganui Collegiate School. Ball swings out to the left wing and it just rolls through the hands of St. John's, but it gets knocked on. Anā ka hurihia te paoro ki te kapa o Whanganui, and a turnover ball here for Whanganui Collegiate School. And they will look to go for a scrum here. Whanganui. And nei Kobe Simmons me te paoro. Kobe Simmons feeding the ball through for Whanganui. Awesome yards here by the number 12, Johnny Afamasanga. Looking to get more ground here, Whanganui Collegiate School. St. John's High School i te paoro. Just rolls out of the hands of the number 8, Manihira Lokame. And we'll be looking to go for the scrum here. Rolls out of the hands of Whanganui. And they Whanganui me te paoro aroha mai a St. John's. The ball is travelling here, there and everywhere. Engari, ka haere whakamua St. John's me te paoro. St. John's taking the ball up to their 5 metre mark. Ball goes to ground there, but St. John's High School still have the opportunity, and unfortunately, turnover ball here. Whanganui College Collegiate with ball in hand. As you can see here, it's quite difficult for Whanganui to get out of the red zone area. St. John's still staying 20 metres out of their try line. And a great carry here by the number 8 for Whanganui College Collegiate. And unfortunately, a knock-on has been called here. Number 8 for Whanganui has been quite impressive. Seremaya Wanganisau broke the line there, looked to offload, and unfortunately, the ball just rolls out of the fingertips of his teammate. Anea Riley Brotherton me te paoro, the halfback for Johns with ball in hand. And they'll look for the tap and go. St. John's looking for the pick and go. And great clean out there by the number 1 for St. John's. Looking to swing the ball out to the right-hand side. Looking to line things up here. Bit of a show and go there by the number 12. Bit of a dummy pass there by Brotherton. Nā ka haere rātou ki te taha Māui o te whira. Looking for support here, St. John's. Only a few metres away from the... Anei a Whanganui me te pauro, ka rere whakamua a Whanganui me te pauro. Gets cleaned out nicely there by Whanganui, looking to go to the half-back. And a knock-on there by St. John's. O ko te ahoa nei, he maka whakamua tērā. Nei tēnā marima o Whanganui me te pauro, Prouting. And some great yards there by the number 7, manages to find a gap there, but does he make it up? O te kapene James Old ki te kimi I te tahi ango e wātea ana engari te taia te whiwhi piro. As you can see there, te whānau team captain of Whanganui Collegiate School, James Olds, running on the left wing there, gained some good position, some great yards there for his side, but unfortunately wasn't able to capitalise off that carry. Anei Brotherton te nama iwa e whāngai ana I te pauro ki roto I te scrum. Ana ka whana I te pauro ki waho I ngā pairarangi, no reira ka whakararangi a Whanganui Collegiate te pauro. Ka whiu I te pauro ki te taha matau o te whira. Nei, tēnā mai iwa. Kobe Simmons e kimi ana I te kaita e wātea ana, engari he hapa ki tā rātou kapa. Ka hurihia te pauro I nei ki te kapa o St. John's. And they will look to go for the he whanawhiwhi ki te kapa o St. John's. Ka whakararangi a St. John's I te pauru I nei. Looking to go for the line out here, St. John's. Te tere hoki o tēnā maiwa. He whanapai tērā mō te kapa o Whanganui. A 50-20 kick there by Whanganui. Ka mautona I Whanganui I te pauro. Nā ka whakararangi rātou I te pauro I nei. And clever play here by Whanganui. Team captain number 7 for Whanganui College, Olds there with the carry. Looking for the short ball here, Whanganui College. Nei, tēnā matakoma ono mo Whanganui me te pauro Harry Sherritt. Te kahahoki o St. John's College ki te ārai I te rārangi piro. Olds stretch over the try line but gets held up there. Anā ko te āwhane kua riro I a Whanganui College I tā rātou piro mo tēnei kēmu. Whanganui College with the first try for this match. great attacking play. Whanganui, number 10 here, Cruz Malo, looking to line things up from the left-hand side for the penalty. For the conversion, aroha mai. Unable to off that conversion. With the first try in this game, St. John's High School and a great receive there by the prop for Whanganui College. Ara te tahi penara ki te kapa o Whanganui. Ka whana atu te pauru kei waho St. John's looking to return to Whanganui. Ball received nicely there by Whanganui. And a great offload there by the number 13. Look, keep the ball alive here on the left wing. And nicely by Whanganui, looking to go to the right wing. And some great yards there by See here, Whanganui gaining some great yards here for their side. Engari ka huri hia te pauro ki te kapa o St. John's. Ball by St. John's. And they look to kick the ball out. Ball gets collected nicely there by Stark. Anei ana mawha Charlie Maben me te pauro. Ka kokiri whakamua e mo tana kapa. Number 8 for Whanganui College. Great yards, Whanganui Whanganui College again with another try. Great team effort there by Whanganui, but that was all the yards there by Whanganui. Managed to find an opening there, looked to offload. And they are currently up 10 points to 0. Nico McDougall e whakararangi ana mo tēnei whana rua I te rārangi piro. And a great conversion there by the number 14, McDougall. Whanganui punishing in the opening half. But in this first half, and we look to go into a scrum here. Whanganui Collegiate with the scrum. And ka whangaia e Whanganui I te pauro te nama iwa, Kobe Simmons, looking to feed the ball. Ball gets offloaded there by Whanganui Sao, and it manages to make its way out to the wing. And here's the team captain, Old, with the ball. Anea St. John's, me te pauro, ka whakararangi rātou I te pauro I nānei. Tane Smith with the line out.
It goes middle. It goes middle. Middle. Now.
Ball gets tipped away nicely there by Oles, connected very well with his teammates, and unfortunately knock on and offside call there by the referee. Nā ka hurihia te pauro ki te kapa o St. John's. Whanakōkiri tēnei mo te kapa o St. John's. Drop out here by St. John's. St. John's with the line out. Great hands there by the lock. Ball goes to ground but gets collected nicely there by St. John's. Looking for the chip and chase here. Nei ngā wāwai parahutuhuti o Whanganui College. And a great carry here by the team captain Olds. As you can see here, Whanganui Collegiate gaining all with the ball in hand. And some great numbers on the outside here. Number 11 for Whanganui Collegiate School crosses the line, and remember the name, Lockie Stark. With the great footwork shown by the number 11 for Whanganui College. Adds another 5 points to his side. And I'm just enjoying seeing Whanganui Collegiate utilising the space, but also, as you can see, there's multiple options there, and they're backing each other up on each carry. So Whanganui now with the conversion by the number 14, Nico McDougall, sitting at 1 out of 1 conversions in this game. And sure enough, the ball goes through, and he makes that 2 out of 2. Nico McDougall adds another 3 points, making it 21 points to nil. Really applying the pressure here, Whanganui Collegiate. St. John's having to play catch up in the first half of this game. Ball goes to ground there. Ara tetahi hapa ki te kapa o Rihia te pauda I nainei ki te kapa o St. John's. And great chasing there by St. John's. They remain with possession of the ball. Here, as you can see, halfback Riley Brotherton calling shots here, using his leadership skills to communicate with his side. Ball gets turned over here by Whanganui in the scrum. Great yards there by Wangani Sau. And ball gets turned over there from a loose carry by Whanganui. St. John's showing their defensive pressure. And nei tetahi kakari mō te kapa o St. John's. And a great grubber there by St. John's. Looking to go around the rack there, Whanganui. Ara te karanga o te kaiwa wao mo te tūhapa. He whana wātea tēnei mō te kapa o Whanganui. Offside was called there against Whanganui with the free kick. And they will look to go for a line out. E iwa miniti e toi ana I roto I te wahanga tuatahi mō tēnei kēmu. And a great turnover there by St. John's. Ka kōkiri whakanua a St. John's me te pauro. Ball stays in play here, but ball gets knocked forward there by Whanganui. But the first call was made against St. John's.
Let's go, boys! Big time here! Let's go!
And nei te tahi kakari mō te kapa o Whanganui.
Off scrum. Fine.
Whanganui with the scrum.
Set. Coming 8, 2, 3. Stop the push, stop! Stop!
And a great dummy pass there by Whanganui. As you can see there, the wheels of Whanganui Sau, the number 8, who has been quite impressive in this game. And they a Whanganui College piro tua toru mo tēnei kēmu. Whanganui Sal has been very powerful for his side, manages to cross the try line for his team. Anei ngā piro I nai kēmu, rua te kauma ono ngā piro kia Whanganui. Anei Nico te kaiwhana mo tāna kapa. McDougall looking to line things up here for this conversion. This will be a difficult kick. However, he's currently sitting at 2 from 2 in this game at 100%. And the ball doesn't travel through the tee there, but nonetheless, Whanganui College leading this game heading into halftime, 26 points to 0 against St. John's High School.
This is an opportunity that we can't pass up.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey. Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
What makes selling with Baileys altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home we sell. Enhancing and lifting the energy of your home to achieve the best possible result. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Baileys, altogether better.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through a really tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others getting involved with it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
E te iwi nau mai hoki mai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga Whakaata Māori. Welcome back to the by Whakaata Māori, and as you can see at te whānau, here are the results in the first half. 26 points to 0. Whanganui Collegiate School taking the lead and have been quite impressive in this game. However, St. John's, on the other hand, have been unfortunate with, they were in their green zone area in the first half and to capitalise off their possessions. However, we will gear in half. Anything can change in this game with 35 minutes on the line here between these two sides. The home team with yet a try to score in this game. Nei a St. John's te kāmera e whakawhiti kōrero ana I Whanganui I kapa. Ana ka timata a Whanganui me te pauro I te timatanga o te wahanga tuarua mo tēnei kēmu. Whanganui with the first kick of this game. And a great chase there by Whanganui. They gain possession of the ball just outside their try line. And they are Whanganui me te kakari. Sau looking to go towards and gets held up there by St. John's. And Whanganui Collegiate School make their way over the line. Great team effort there shown by Whanganui, by the team captain Olds. Ka whātoro I ngā piro I nainei, tore te kaumātahi ngā piro kia Whanganui I nainei. Hi there, the conversion, so I'm not sure what the points will be. Can you just people on the sidelines if the kick had gone over or not, so I can add that to the points? Mai te whānau, wasn't able to see the conversion on that one. However, I will soon get an update from our live stream. And they are St. John's there by St. John's. Ka kokiri whakamua te namarima a Prouting me te pauro. Engari ka hurihia te pauro ki te kapa o St. John's. Ka whangaia te nama iwa Kobe Simmons I te pauro engari ka tai tuatahi Whanganui Collegiate ki te pauro. And a short ball there by Whanganui by the team boards. Great hands here by Whanganui, and they look to gas it on the left wing. Some great yards there by the number 12 for Whanganui. Quite physical here, just outside the 5 metre mark. And they look to go through the hands here, and the number 13 for Whanganui crosses the try line. Jake Amon with another try for Whanganui, pushing the lead out 36 points to 0. And nei te kaiwhana o Whanganui, Nico McDougall me te pauro. Shouldn't be a difficult kick here for McDougall. McDougall with a great conversion there for his side. Just in front of the goalpost there. Visiting side have been punishing the home side. Whanganui leading this game 30 points to 0 in the Super 8 first 15s competition. And now St. John te whana. He whana tino teitei tērā. Engari kāre te paro I puta atu I te tekau mita. The ball didn't travel more than 10 metres, therefore Whanganui gain a penalty scrum here. Ka whangaia Simmons I te pauro mō te kapa o Whanganui. Simmons feeding the ball through the scrum, and the ball gets knocked forward, picked up there nicely by the number 13 for St. John's High School. Manages to make his way over the try line, and what an impressive individual try there by St. John's. Number 13, Zan Wehi Lambert. He saw the gap and he didn't look back, and what an impressive try there. St. John's Hastings School gaining their first try in this match. They'll look to line up for the conversion. St. John's. Anea Corvin Hui Te Kaifana, more St. John.
Let's go white. Go white. Go white. I come back. That's yours, sir, what?
Yes, no, it did not go over. Sorry, I've got to unlock my phone to talk on this.
Ana he pēnara ki te kapa o Whanganui. Great yards there by the number 8 for Whanganui, who has been quite impressive in this game. Engari he hapa ki te kapa o Whanganui, puta atu I tā rātou pai piro. No reira ka hurihia te pauru nainei ki te kapa o Hato Hone St. John's. Some great footwork there by St. John's, the number 12. Mapasone, ball gets kicked. They're collected nicely by Whanganui. And a great tackle there by St. John's. Kiri whakamua a Thornton Humphrey Metapolo. Number 21 for St. John's, Luke Lee Smith. Looking to hold the ball up. Ara te tahi pēnara ki te kapa o St. John's. For St. John's High School. As you can see here, St. John's looking to set things up here. What a great passage of play there by their side. Looking to run some set plays here, St. John's. Ball gets out of the ruck there by St. John's. Great cover there by their side. Looking to swing the ball out to the left wing. However, great tackle made there by the team captain, Olds. And a great clean there by the home side. Mapesone using his great footwork. An offload there, looking to utilise the numbers on the left wing there. As you can see, the physicality has ramped up in the second half of this game. St. John's looking to pass through the hands there, but the ball gets punted away there. Oh, both players contesting in the air for that ball. Engari, he hapa ki te kapa o Whanganui, anei St. John's me te pauro. Looking to go for a place kick here by the number 10, Corbin Pui. Anea St. John me te pauro. Ka whakararingi rātou i te pauro. Rua tekau mita puta atu i tā rātou paipiro. Ball goes over the top in the line out there for St. John's. Picked up by the number 6, Jay Smith. Great tackle there by Olds to go for the steal. However, Mapesone looking to break the line here. Carry here by the number 3, Viliami Vea. Ball gets turned over here for, and as you can hear in commentary, supporters on the sideline there disputing the referee's call. St. John's looking to go for the line-outs. Ball goes out of touch there. St. John's will look to capitalise off this line-out. Just outside the 10-metre mark. And a great line out there for St. John's. Change of direction there by the number 8 for St. John's. Managed to break the line. Hira Lokame. Ball gets carried there by the number 6, Jay Smith. And a penalty gets called. Number 8 for St. John's, looking to take the ball forward. Only a few metres out of the try line, St. John's. They're looking to make the numbers here, and the number 20 for St. John's, unable to place the ball over the try line, and great defensive pressure there by the visiting side, Whanganui. However, Johns remain in possession of the ball, looking to tap and go. Ball gets held up there by Whanganui. Only inches away, St. John's High School. And they'll look to make things happen here. And as you can see, Whanganui doing a power defence. And penalty gets called for St. John's. They look to go for the tap and go to try and get the 5-pointer. In a great defensive pressure there by the visiting side. Ball gets knocked backwards there. Whanganui trying to make things difficult for the home. They'll look to spread the ball here. Number 2 for St. John's, Tane Smith, looking to take things forward. It's probably been about 2 or 3 minutes here, just outside the try line. St. John's unable to cross the line, but they still remain in possession with the ball. Inside, denying St. John's the opportunity to cross the line. Ball gets kicked away there by the visitor, just outside the red zone area. St. John's with the line out. The ball gets collected nicely there by the number 4, Isaac Tewhaiti. Ara tetahi penara ki te kapa o Whanganui. Penalty there for the visiting side. They will look to go for the scrum here off the penalty. Anei tetahi kaitakoro hau kei runga I number 2 tekau mō Whanganui, Isaiah Putukoro, the new halfback in the second half of this game. And a great carry there by the number 16 for Whanganui, Sherritt. Te tāruaroa hoki o te nama whā, Maben. Engari ka hurihia te pauro ki te kapa o St. John. Ball gets held up there in the ruck. St. John's gain possession of the ball. Whana tuanuku tērā mō te kapa o St. John's. Place kick there for St. John's. Ara ka whakararangi a St. John's I te pauru I nānei. Ball gets tapped away there by St. John's.
Good stuff. Good work, boys. Good teamwork. Soft areas.
Great teamwork there by the visiting side. Team captain looking to take the ball forward. Anei tēnā marua te kau, te kai tākoro hau. Kei runga I te whira. Ka hurihia te pauru nānei ki te kapa o Hatohone. St. John's again with another line out. The linesman instructing the visiting side to, I guess, get better position out and to not go offside. The ball gets collected nicely there by Manihira Rokame. He maka nanaki a tērā, great fake pass there, but the ball gets turned over by the number 13, Wehi. And they, Te Paoro. Afa Masanga with a great carry. Once again, Masanga, Afa Masanga with two great carries. And penalty gets called there against Whanganui St. John's with the scrum. He nonoke tēnei mō te kapa o Hatohone. So you can see that with the referee making sure that his hair is in good nick. Great yards there by Wehi Lambert. The ball gets collected nicely there, and a great steal by Whanganui.
Off his knees, surely. Surely. You're looking from the wrong side. Yeah, otherwise I would have.
Anei, tēnā rua tekau mātahi mō te kapa o Hatohone, Luke Lee Smith, e whāngai ana I te pauro ki roto I te nonoke. St. John's doing a power of work to gain momentum. He maka nanaki a tērā, great draw by St. John's. Dummy pass there. Jack Amon with the carry. Wehi Lambert. Isaiah Putukoro with the carry. Oh, and a bit of razzle-dazzle there by the number 4 for Whanganui, Charlie Maben with the through the legs offload. We love to see their creativity, especially by a lock. And here we see Whanganui taking things to the left wing, number 13 with the wheels. And he manages to gain some great yards there, unable to cross the line, but supported very nicely there by his team. And sure enough, sets things up for Whanganui College. And I must say, it must have come off the razzle-dazzle there by Charlie Maben, number 11, Lockie Stark. Broke the line there and supported very nicely by his teammates. Ana ka tāpiri piro anō ki te kapa o Whanganui, whātekau mā whāinga piro ki a rātou I nānei. Ka whakararangi te kaiwhana a McDougall I te pauro kei mua atu I uhanga. McDougall again with another conversion for his side. And I wish we could do the highlights or the replay there in that passage of play. And it all started for Whanganui, Charlie Maben with the through the legs pass. Ara ka huri here anō te pauro ki te kapa o Whanganui. Whanganui gain possession of the ball off a penalty and they look to go for a scrum. Nei, Whanganui me te pauro ka whiu ki te taha matau o te feeder. Great carry there by the number 14 of Whanganui, Nico McDougall, who has been an impressive kicker in this game. Engari ka tāhai te pauro e St. John's. And a great clean there by the number 2 for St. John's. Great yards there by the prop, looking to line things up here. Wow, what an impressive tackle there. He rutu tino pai tērā mo te kapa o Whanganui. Ka tāhaingia te pauro e Whanganui. Looking to utilise the numbers here, St. John's High.
Ball, Johnny, ball, Johnny, ball! Blow it out!
And I must give it it's playing in these conditions. It's a very difficult task here, but the game goes on and Whanganui with possession of the ball. Ko te āhua nei, he maka whakamua tērā, a forward pass there by Whanganui. Ka whangaia te pauro e Luke Smith. St John's with the scrum. Great yards here by the home side. Oh, unfortunate on that one, St John's. Penalty here for the visiting side. O tatapau te wai a tātou i roto i te haurua tuarua mo tēnei kēmu. Ball gets punted away there by Whanganui. Number 14 looking to chase the ball down, McDougall, and a penalty there for the visiting side. And I got to give it to McDougall. He eyed up the ball, chased that ball down, which created an error by the home side. And now Whanganui looking to go for the scrum here. Only 5 metres out from their try line. Anei Isaiah Putukoro me te pauro ka whāngai te pauro ki roto I te nonoke. And here the team captain, number 7. Captain fantastic, James Old with another try to their side. And Whanganui, they've been quite dominant right from the first whistle. And I'm really enjoying the play that Whanganui are displaying here today. They are very see here. The results speak for itself. McDougall looking to line up 7th conversion of this game. Mamanua tēnei whana mō McDougall. Oh, engari mo taku he. Wai a tātou mo tēnei kēmu e hoa mā. We've come to the end of this game between St John and Whanganui taking away the win, 52 points to 8 against St John's, the home side. Ana ko pau te wai a tātou. Thank you for tuning into this live stream in the First 15 Super 8 competition for 2020. Whanganui Collegiate School taking away this win. Joining this live stream, e te whānau, mai tonu mai.